Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You open Clipchamp and create your new project with the right aspect ratio for your platform. Next, upload your footage or choose stock clips so you can place audio immediately. Then copy or paste your prepared script into a plain text app. This avoids formatting glitches. Once done, click the left toolbar's text-to-speech button, sign in if requested, and pick the base language and voice family so the editor can generate audio that matches your content tone and pacing. You paste your script into the TTS input and edit punctuation and line breaks to control breathing and pauses. That's how you make speech sound natural. Then pick a voice, tweak speed and pitch moderately, and click Preview to evaluate tone. If it's too fast, reduce speed by small increments. If too flat, slightly raise pitch. Next, generate audio and split the text into segments so you can drag each generated file to match specific clips using timeline markers for precise sync. You place TTS clips on the timeline, trim ends, and add short fades to remove clicks and make transitions smooth. Then balance levels. Lower background music to about -12 dB so the voice remains clear. Once satisfied, generate captions from your script for accessibility and export a quick test file with AAC 128 kbps to check on device playback. If the voice still sounds robotic, add micro pauses, adjust punctuation, or choose another voice model and regenerate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.